Hello everyone. In this video, we shall see how to install the regular version of ATSM simulator. So let us see some guidelines given on the site. So you have to move to download section, download menu of the avinyatechnology.com and look at the guidelines to install regular ATSM package. So read it very carefully. So before start downloading ATSM package, user need to either purchase activation key or license key for this software, or if it is distributed freely under some evaluation arrangement, then he needs to have the activation key with him. So this activation key will be provided on his registered email ID. Now we shall start downloading the ATSM installer program. So what is the step-by-step procedure to start the installation of ATSM is, first of all, we shall download the ATSM installer. Then once it is downloaded, we shall change the name of, we shall change the permissions of this file to the executable, and once it is done, we shall create the license file using option -create LIC, and then we shall go ahead to download the current package files using -download switch. User can find all this information using the help switch with ATSM installer program. So now we shall start downloading first of all our installer program. I will click this download regular ATSM installer button. You have chosen to open this save file. Give the save file command and you will find this ATSM installer program is downloaded on your system. Now let me check on my terminal if it is downloaded. Yeah, you can find ATSM installer is here. Go to your home directory. In home directory you will find downloads folder. In the downloads folder it will be by default downloaded. Now I would like to go to my work area. So this is my work area. Here I am going to create first of all a new folder for my work area, that is in the name of my test. So mkdir my test. So this is created. User need to be super user to do the installation of ATSM. I will go to super user mode. Now I am acting as a super user. Now let me go to my test directory. There is nothing here right now. I will copy ATSM installer program here from my download folder. This is copied here. Let me change its permissions to the executable file using chmod. So it's done. Let me check whether it is working or no. I can see the help here. You can give like this. So here all the required help is shown. You can use two options to activate your ATSM. First option is -create LIC. This option will create license file. The name of file will be license.dat, and another option will be to download the package. The option, there are two ways to create license file and download ATSM package. So the first way is default way, where in your current directory you will not set up any path for the license and the package, and license will be downloaded in the current directory as well as the package will be downloaded in the same directory. Let us see the second path, where we shall define two environment variables, ATSM license path and ATSM package path. This information is given on the site. In support menu, if you go to the license FAQ, you will find how to set up license. So in the C shell, we need to add these two environment variables, ATSM license path and ATSM package path. Let us do this. We have to work as a super user while downloading license as well as downloading package. I will edit this csh.cssrc script in etc folder. So we are putting, let me give here the path of my license folder. So we can create one license folder here. Let me name it my LIC-dir. So I am creating it at some safe location. Another, I need to create another folder for package download. Let me name it my package dir. You can see in the same in this directory I have created two folders, my LIC-dir. Another one is my package dir. Now I will set up the environment variable value to pointing to these two folders. For the license, it is my, and for the package, it is my pkgdir. And I will set my path variable to include the ATSM package path also. Let me save this. Now let me start downloading my license as well as package. So just to see whether my environment variables are effective yet or no, I will create another terminal where newly created environment variables will be automatically included. So now you can see here these are automatically defined. So they are pointing to the right directories which I want. Now I would like to create my license and then my package. So this is my TSM installer. I will again log in as super user. So I have to give command create LIC now. Here it will ask me my registered email ID. I've given it. So this is the ID when which will receive your license key, license activation key. So either you have to purchase the license, or if it is freely distributed to you, then you must have had some correspondence with the Winner Technology to get the license key on a particular registered email ID. So I have my email ID. I have got this activation key here. I will copy this and then let me paste here. So this will be automatically validated at the server, and if the license your registered email ID and the license key match, then you will receive the file license file. If already you have defined environment variable for the ATSM license path and ATSM package path, then license will be automatically transferred to your defined ATSM license path. Let me check it in my license directory. So you will see there is one file license.dat data. It's a data file. And now I will go ahead to download my package. So I have to give installer download. will automatically start downloading. So before downloading, I need to create the license because it checks the license before downloading anything, and then it will start downloading complete package from or current package from server to the defined location for ATSM package dir package path. Sorry. It may take some time because package has got several files. It will depend on your NAT internet speed. So the complete package is downloaded now. Let us see the location where we have downloaded our package. So this is the complete package. Now we shall try to run a sample test case. I will copy one sample test case. Let us see what is there in this test case. So this is a simple module DB. It has defined variables like a is a variable of logic type with dimensions like this, and there are few other variables here, and it is running incrementing a for various dimensions with some value and then displaying it here. So let us see here one clock is also there, ELK after every 5 nanosecond, and then every passage of clock it is incrementing int1 and b with some values, and then every at negative age it is displaying the various values, and after 5000 nanoseconds we have called finish. Let us see how it works. Here I will give some options. I will create one option file, general options. So my general options are and simulation time I'm giving maybe 10,000 nanoseconds, I will make it non-interactive. NI stands for non-interactive. I don't want to generate database for this test case, so I will give no dbf. Then finally I will give the define my top module, that is db. That's all. So I have created one command line option file. Let me try to run this. Well, in this case, not able to take. I'll open another terminal now. Let me open another terminal. So here I'm able to use my exe ATSM. Exe ATSM is the command which we have to give to invoke the simulator. I'll give option text with the switch minus F. All the command line options options or switches are written in option gen.txt. So let me try to run my test case. So it's working now. It has compiled everything and it has done it for 5000 nanoseconds. So everything is okay. These are various results. You can see. Let's see. You can always check the validity of your license. So check LIC is the command you can give. License is valid for next 10 days. Allowed ATSM instances is 1. This information you can always get. So this is briefly how you will be able to install ATSM package and license on your system.